What it do, YouTube? What it do, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the TheKBshow, man. It's Paintprison Vlog, Volume 5. We back up here at the paint shop. It's Sunday. Just wanted to give y'all a quick update, man. I was able to come last night, but I wasn't able to record. It was pretty dark, so just wanted to get y'all an update on the Landau box Chevy, man. I was able to bring some trim pieces up here, so we got some Landau trim right here. So I brought it up here to see if my guy can have his guy repolish the Landau trim, so that way when it's time to go back on, he can do his thing. And then I bought a couple pieces of the rocker trim as well, so that way he can, you know, tap in with his guy, see if his guy can do them. If his guy can take care of them, I'll have him redo every piece of the Landau trim and every piece of the rockers. But as you see, man, we back up here, Paintprison. Wanted to give y'all an update on the Landau Chevy. It's gonna be, once it comes out, it's gonna be nice. You can see how the orange is hitting right there, that root beer. Yeah, it's gonna be, say it's gonna be one of the top 5 box Chevys out there for sure. But yeah, man, just wanted to give y'all an update, man. Tap in with y'all. It's Paintprison Volume 5. He said he should be pulling it in now. Should be pulling it in now any day. I bought him the rear fillers. So we got rear fillers down there. I bought him a whole new headlight kit for the front. Whole new headlight kit. Got actually a lot of pieces on the inside, which I'll get y'all an update on that one too. I'll probably come back up here this week and check on it. I got some tires already. Got some tires coming, because it looks like this one that had a blowout over here. So we got new tires coming. So yeah, man, the Chevy coming, man. The Chevy's gonna be right. Y'all tap in with me, man. Y'all comment, let me know what y'all think. Paintprison Vlog, Volume 5. It's April 13th, so we almost at 2 years. Y'all let me know. Y'all tap in with me. All right, I'll catch you on the next one. Yes, sir.